Good morning. Today is day 3. We're going to the spa today. We're just gonna relax. My chest is so sore because of the workout yesterday, but I feel good about it. We're just getting ready. We woke up late today. Because we hung out with Pamela's friends last night until like almost 3 a.m. I think. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready because it's already bright and shiny outside, so let's get
I am bloated. Let's go to the beach.
yeah. I'm gonna wear this one. I put this little thing. It's so cute. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to have something to eat. I have to go order all of the clean room or room cleanup, and then we're also gonna get some tray collection because we have a few stuff here. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. We are getting a massage right now, a couples massage, and we can even take a shower. This is the room. Hey, yay, yay. Okay. Just finished the facials and the massage. So relaxing. It. Cold plunge. Ay wow, Madam came in. Oh. We are at the pizzeria right now. We're having some lunch. I'll show you guys what it is. Our pizza is their pizza Hawaiian. Ano to, baby? Dave's Dominicus and
Four
cheese.
something.
Four cheese. Bon appetit. Good morning. It is day 4 and it's a bit gloomy outside today. Look at, I think it's been raining because the floors are kind of wet. We don't have anything planned for the day. I think we're just gonna chill by the beach, read a book, and pretty much that's everything that we're gonna do. I don't know if I'm gonna shower or swim at the pool today because I've been feeling a little bit under the weather. We'll see. We're just getting ready right now. Heading to lunch. We didn't eat breakfast today because I literally just woke up. I'm doing the chunli hair today. Look this side. I need to fix this one. It's just coming out. I think that's fine. That's the hair. Walking around the area where the locals are. Huh? What?
Snatch. Get snatched.
Bakit isa snatch?
Like this.
So, snatch here.
Ay, sige guys, mamaya na pala. Bye! There's a baseball area here. I'll show you the baseball stuff. Oh, it's like I'm back home in the Philippines. Just the street. They're the baseball players. Hola. Hi. We are back at the resort and we're having some breakfast. And then after this, the beach is finally calm enough for us to go have a dip. So I think we're gonna try and do like a quick dip because I think I have to be at my sister's room by 2:30 for some pictures. But let's go to the beach. Okay. It's beach day, you guys. Look at that waves. Whee! Oh! Ah!
Captain Cook.